Behind me is the 1800 block of North Costner Avenue in Chicago. Hard to believe this was once the home of the mighty Schwinn factory. At one point, 1 in 4 bicycles sold in America was made right here. But through a series of bad management decisions, Schwinn lost everything.
Schwinn manufactured their frames through a unique process called electrowelding. The finished product was sturdy but heavy. By the 1970s, buyers wanted lighter bikes. Schwinn was also unique in that the entire bicycle was built in-house, from the design to the welding of the frame to the lacing of the wheels. Schwinn also did all their own painting. They were the largest bicycle manufacturer in America, at one time employing 1,800 people. They were family-owned and operated for 3 generations.
Today, Schwinn is just a post office address for bikes made in China.
But American bicycle manufacturing didn't end when Schwinn closed its doors. Today, there are close to 100 small independent bicycle makers. Let's take a look. In this part, we'll look at Bike Friday, Calfee, and Independent Fabrications.
President of Bike Friday. We make bikes that you can take anywhere all over the world that fit you great, and I'm excited to show you the factory where we build them from scratch just for you. And then we build it by hand here in Eugene, Oregon at the factory and ship it off to you. So I'm going to take you through the factory and show you the process that we create this special bike that's built just for you. So once we have all the pieces together, then we build the frame and start turning it into a full bicycle. So once we've cut all the parts for your bike, all the right size and prepared them, they go into the jig and we adjust the jig to fit the size for your bike and start welding all of it together into a frame. And after your frame is built, then it's time to paint it. And then we assemble the frame and put it on the alignment table to check all of the different angles to make sure it's straight. Once we have the bike frame all together and we put the parts on, then we cable the bike with the cable housing color that you've chosen. So once we've built your bike, put everything together, cabled it up, then we take it out on the maiden voyage and make sure everything is working and it's ready to ride.
Pretty wide-eyed when it comes to materials. Wood and bamboo are the kind of things that I'm really impressed with because of how they grow. Bamboo is especially good because it absorbs vibration really well. Now carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, but not quite as well as bamboo. In the late 80s, people didn't really respect the carbon fiber very much. We got a lot of grief for building plastic bikes. It's a very strong fiber, and the fact that it's a fiber with strength in one direction is the secret to why carbon is so good. It's the fact that you can orient the fiber exactly in the direction that you want it to be stiff in. I like to achieve a goal, let's say build a bamboo bike, and then build an even better bamboo bike. And then how about maybe using this idea to help people in Africa? So you sort of build upon, what you've done in the past to go to the next level. And so I did. It was like riding a bike for the first time. And you don't get to have that feeling very often.
My name's Sean.
I'm Ryan Waters. Keith Rouse.
My name is Phil.
Chris Rowe. I'm the lead painter.
I'm the production manager at Independent Fabrication.
I do graphic work and paint work.
I'm a finisher and a painter.
I'm a welder at Independent Fabrication and love what I do. This is going to be someone's favorite bike. Best bike they've ever owned, It's going to inspire them to get out because they're going to look at that bike and be like, all they think about is getting a ride in. And so sometimes you forget that, but it's basically, it makes it okay,
Everybody at IF who's worked on the frame signs the hang tag.